Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to create non-domain joined machine catalog in the Citrix cloud. So first, let me show you the master image which I am going to use to create non-domain joined machine catalog. So Hyper-V. So this is the machine I am going to use to create MCS based server operating system which is non-domain joined machines. Okay. Just go to machine catalog, create machine catalog. So click next. So ours is multi-session. So select multi-session OS. So and then click next. So select master image. For non-domain joined machine catalog creation, we should have 18.11 minimum functional level. If you go for below one, like 7.6, you will not get the option. So from the base version is 18.11, so that you will get the option to create non-domain joined machine catalog. So select the master image. So select the master image VM. So this is our master image. Done. So already the VM has powered up state. So if it is power on state, here you will not get the green icon. So click next. So how many VMs we are going to create? We are going to create only one, the 2 GB of RAM. So 256 MB cache RAM. So first select. So 100 GB of temporary disk. Okay. So click next. So by default it should be 127, but anyway, that's okay. So here we need to select the option on-premises Active Directory or hybrid Azure Active Directory joined. So we are going to create non-domain joined VDI. That's the machine. So here we need to select the option non-domain joined. Okay. Here we need to mention the machine name. For example, non-domain VM. So this is a naming convention for the VM which we are going to create. So click next. So scope, I'm going with the all object. So when not there, then we need to mention the machine catalog name, non-domain joined MC. So click finish. So once it's created, we'll create the delivery group and then we'll publish on desktop and then we'll try to access by the user and then see so how the non-domain joined VDA is accessible. Let's see. So we have created the non-domain joined machine catalog. Just see the registration status of the VDI. So it's registered. Now go to delivery group. Just create the delivery group for non-domain joined machines. So click next. Add the machine from non-domain joined machine catalog. So we can give the access later from the library console. So we are not going to publish any application. So we are going to publish only desktop from this catalog. So license. So mention the delivery group name on Click finish. So we have created one delivery group, name it as non-domain joined DG. Now we are going to give access to this delivery group for one of the domain user. So select this desktop, manage subscriber. So add HR1. So non-domain joined desktop access has given to HR1 user. Now we'll try to access. Just go to workspace preference. Just go to desktop. So this is the desktop right now we created for the non-domain joined testing. Just trying to launch the VDI. It's logging as a local user because this machine is not part of the domain. Also we will get the temporary profile once the session launched. Because it's non-domain joined machine. See, just go to the computer properties. Also just go to command prompt, just see who am I. So it will create local account kind of things. See, non-domain VM HR1 user, local user account. If we go to our domain controller, so host name, just check the host name. So non-VDI domain VM01, you can see, right, this is a local user account because it's a non-domain joined VDI. So this is a machine account name. So just check in the domain controller whether this machine account is there or not. So non-domain VM01, this is our domain controller, non-domain VM. So nothing is there because it's a non-domain joined VDI. So for some isolated environment for third party, so you can provide this kind of VDI so that they will not misuse anything from our domain. Thank you.